Are you tired of having to water your plants all the time? I have a few things that can help you out tremendously. First of all, use mulch and use it like crazy. Put it in your vegetable beds, in your flower beds, and even in your containers and pots because it's going to help stop the evaporation from happening so quickly. It goes right on top of the soil and all around your plants, and as a benefit, it will help slow down weed growth in your flower beds. Next is automate your watering wherever you can, and there are really cool ways to add drip systems to your flower beds, vegetable beds, and containerized pots. I did make a video about that a few videos back. And lastly, use a product like this. This is Hydretain, and this will actually make your water last longer and go farther on your plants and lawn. Now, this doesn't make water just magically appear, but what it does do is make your watering more effective and last for a longer time wherever you put it. It has hygroscopic and humectant components in here, so that means it's going to basically trap the water, which will make it stay close to the plant's roots for a longer time than just plain old water. So by using Hydretain, either in the liquid form or the granular form, if you've been watering your lawn every other day, you could go to every third or fourth day, and same thing applies for your vegetable garden or pots. If you're having to water every day, use Hydretain, and then you could push that back to probably every other day and still be fine. You will save money on the water itself, and you'll save a lot of time by watering less frequently. These are all great ways to be a better steward of the water in your home landscape, and it also saves you money on water and saves you a lot of time.